would like to invite our very own CEO, Mr. Martin Hebrew, to say a few words.
Today is a very big day for Stahl. The occasion of the opening of Stahl's very first PUD plant in East Asia. Why did we choose for Singapore to set up our PUD reactors? First of all, because of its location, but also very important because of the team here in Singapore.
I'm really happy that we have now completed this project and can contribute to a regionalized setup, so regionally produced for the region in China and in East Asia Pacific.
One, two, three. Wow!